So now you can reserve your Flip 6 and Fold 6. God damn. Wow. Okay. Holy shit. Where's my share screen? So that's why I check before I get off. So Samsung wanted to get on the news today. See, they're very, very competitive with this news and the headline stuff. See, this is exactly why Samsung did this. Samsung said, oh, really? No. We got new phones coming out. So Google stole the headlines today. That Samsung coming in with a very late win. I don't know. It depends on how you look at it. Depends on what phone you want. So now you can reserve. We knew this was coming out soon, but we didn't know exactly when they were going to announce the reserve. So now you can reserve your next foldable from Samsung. So reserve your $50 instant credit from Samsung and save up to $1,500 when you pre-order a new. Woo! Wow. I don't remember it being that much. $1,500. Now that's probably going to be a mint condition. Speaking of trade-ins, Daniel, probably mint condition Fold 5, right? Probably spec'd out, meaning the biggest storage variant you can buy. Probably give you $1,500. But remember, raising the prices $100. So you trade your Fold 5 in roughly for $1,500. However, you still got to pay out of pocket another $500 roughly. Now I'm gonna get a Flip, so I'm gonna go ahead and sign up. But although this will be a great year for foldables, the Fold 6 versus the Pixel Fold 2. I know it does. What is it? Pixel 9 Pro XL Fold, whatever. This is going to be a good year for foldables. I do too. I do too. I may have to get the Fold. So honestly, I think this is the year. Got mine right here. And check it out. I already have a Plus, S24 Plus, and that's basically the same phone as this, just without an S Pen. And it's rounded. I mean, it's flat sides, but it's not as square as this. So I have essentially two of the same phones. I think I'm going to do the same thing. I think I'm going to get a... Well, shit. Well, we'll figure it out. But that's a good matchup. Samsung Z Fold 6 versus the Pixel Fold 2. Because they're going to be right around the same dimensions. Now, the Fold 6 is going to be more squared, right? It's got the flat edges. But essentially, the dimensions are going to be pretty similar. And the Pixel is going to have, the Pixel Fold, it's going to have, flat sides as well. Wow. Well, there you go. Samsung stealing the headlines of the day. So I'm going to link this. If you're interested, I'm going to sign up right now. I'm going to get out of here, but I'm going to sign up for this right now. I'm going to put a link in the description for everybody too. And join me tomorrow. I guarantee you we'll get into more... we'll get into more game planning. We'll get into what would you rather have, Fold 6 or Pixel Fold 2, right? Because Samsung came in late in the day and just stole the headlines. So join me tomorrow. We will discuss all this and more, right? So I really appreciate it, guys. Don't forget, go to esimstudios.app. I put a new giveaway up there. So if you want a $25 Amazon gift card, go sign up for it on esimstudios.app. It's under the giveaway section. So, you know what? I was gonna do a Rinky giveaway. Do y'all want a free Rinky case? Let me know and we can do it real quick. I got it. Not Rinky. I meant Nilkin. Y'all want a Nilkin? I have if you have a Pixel 8 Pro I have innocn cases for Pixel 8 Pro, S24 Plus, S24 Ultra, and S23 Ultra as well. So if y'all want to do a giveaway real quick, let me know and I got you. Y'all good? No giveaway today. You want to do it tomorrow? I can do it tomorrow. I got a bunch of cases here. I was gonna send some do a little innocn giveaway. Did I put Rinky in the? Oh, whatever. All right. Well, screw it. I'm gonna get out of here. Go ahead and sign up for your credit, and we'll see you back here tomorrow, guys. Appreciate it. Thank you for joining me. I really, really appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. Thank you very much. And don't miss tomorrow's episode. Shall be fun. These smartphone wars are just heating up. I keep on telling you all this. They just begun. Join us tomorrow. We'll discuss more. Peace out. Let me get out of here.